What I'll say the most memorable piece in the whole process was the very first meeting. That very first demo that we had with you, because it was just with me and the two other guys in IT, and we were doing all the initial evaluation, the initial filtering before we brought it to the cross-functional project team. And I remember when we were done with that, and Campus was probably the fifth product we had viewed this way, and I remember hanging up the phone and looking over to my guys going, that's it. That's what we need. We need that here at Cornerstone. And we did our very best not to predispose people to wanting to see it, and we tried to keep our opinions to ourselves when we had them watch the demo or experience a new demo, and it was unanimous on the project team. But my best memory of the whole process was that first time, hanging up the phone going, wow, that is exactly what we need.
Yeah, I mean, I really do believe in the concept of the product, the ability to intermingle both engaging type communications as well as subtle nudges or action-oriented nudges in one feed in a way that's familiar to students, looks exactly like the rest of their lives as they remain engaged digitally with friends, family, etc. So I'm really excited about the prospect of it being the one tool we can use to kind of further glue our organization together and better communicate with students.
When you find a product like this that you're going to use as a hub of communication for your entire campus, you don't always know all the ways you could possibly use this thing going in, right? You have an idea of the features it brings and how you might want to use it, but when things go well, all of a sudden ideas keep springboarding off each other. Oh, could we do this? Could we use it for that? What's been great about working with the folks at campus was the fact that they're very receptive to those and wanting to go ahead and make sure the platform can meet those kinds of needs. What that's done for us is we sit in a meeting and someone has an idea and we go, can't do that right now, but let's check. And then a few weeks later, now we can. So it's been really great to work with a company that really wants to partner with the early adopters to figure out exactly how can it grow to meet the needs. And so we haven't been able to say, no, we can't do this, no, we can't do that. We've been able to say, we may not be able to do it right now, but we feel confident that we'll be able to add those kinds of features into the product as we move forward. So that's just been great, to find a company who's willing to listen, to hear what you say, to say, you know what, we can't do that right now, it's on our roadmap, is just wonderful, because some things we get right now, some things we know are coming, and some things they say, yeah, that's probably not something we're looking at, but we will look at it, we'll consider it down the road.